Alright, let's do example 2 now, where we are going to create an array, but we are going to use a runtime initialization. Okay, so let's create our array. So type integer and let's name it a number. Okay, let's put it just 5 only. 5. Okay, so we declare an array, but we don't put any data inside it yet. Okay, and let's get another integer for our for loop later. So call it I. Okay, and now in this example, I'm going to get the data from the user. Okay, so of course we need to instruct our user to enter some data. Please insert 5 numbers. Right. And what do we do next is we are going to use a for loop to get the data from user and put it inside our array. So for the same as the previous example, for I0, in this case I less than 5 and I plus plus. If the size of your array is for example 20, so here you put 20. Okay, so in this example it's just 5, put 5. I want to get 5 data, so I less than 5, so I plus plus. And we get the input from user. We use scanf function. Okay, and the data they want to get is a type integer, so we put d. Oh, sorry for that. Let's put d, and we instruct the compiler to store it in our array number with indexing I. Alright. This way, the compiler, when this program runs, the compiler will read 5 data inserted by user and store it inside our array from index 0 until index 5. Okay, and of course we want to check our data, and let's print, and by printing the f printf and number. Okay, printf the put as the content, or rather you entered, your entered values are, just following the example in the notes. Alright, so let's try to run this program. Okay, please insert 5 number 1, 4, 2, 5, 6. Okay, so it works. So we read the numbers that the user entered, 1, 4, 2, 5, 6, and we put inside our array number. Our array name is number, and then we print all the content of inside this array. Okay. We have seen 2 examples of how we can put elements inside the array and how we can print an array. Now there's an exercise which you should try. So in this exercise, write a program that read 5 number of values in an array, and display the content of that array in reverse order. In the example I've shown earlier, the content are shown as it is, and in this exercise, why don't you try to print the content, but as shown here, print it in reverse order. So print the index 4, 3, 2, 1, and lastly print index number 0. Okay, try to do this exercise as a quiz. Okay, all right, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.